Alright, back with another installation video, this time to keep the charger clean. I got this all-season mats, all-weather mats for the charger. This is made by, let me pull out the tags here. Right there, it's Kagu Black R1. So this is Kagu 3D mats. As you can see the pattern. So why I decided to get this is because, you know, the WeatherTechs and the Husky liners, they have a plasticky feel and they become slippery over time. So this one has a much better pattern, and I installed one already in the Mazda, so this should be good for the charger. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this today. I need to vacuum this dirty mat first. Alright, let's continue this video. Alright, passenger side is installed. Check it out. Covers all the way around and over the little hook there. So as you can see the texture, and then in the back side it's got this little hooks right there, the hooks in your carpet right there. I hope you can see that. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so it doesn't slide around. So time to install the other side. Alright, there you go. The driver's side is installed. As you can see, it's nice and neat. It actually covers my dead pedal too. Yeah, so if you're gonna plan to drive your charger all throughout the winter, you know, slush and the salt and all that wet dirt and grime, probably something you should consider. I put a link in the description for this if you're interested. I think I bought this from Car ID, or maybe Amazon. This is available also, maybe a little bit cheaper than Amazon. So I like it because it's not slippery. It has this three-dimensional, they say it's a carbon fiber design. I don't see that, but it's got this design that makes your foot stick, and it just stuck in the carpet right now. Pretty good. Covers all the sides, as you can see there. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this short installation video, please click the thumbs up, and like and share and subscribe please. It will really truly help the channel a lot. So 3D Kagu mats, I'll link the description. I'll link it in the description below. So see you in the next one.